We got today, we've got LINKFOR SKU. I guess that's the same as the model number. ULK 039 analog to digital audio converter. Okay. All right. Let's just break this plastic. Okay, nice colorful box. I don't know if that matters. Does it matter? I don't know. Do you keep your boxes? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. For this stuff, I have to, because, you know. Okay, let's stick that in the back. Oh, we're at 2 times. Let's go back to 1 time. 1 time. Okay. So in the box, you get the Toslink optical Spdif cable. You get the USB-A to barrel jack for power usage. You get a little box made of plastic. What difference does that make, really? It's not like you're jumping up and down this analog to digital audio converter, 3.5 millimeter to optical. And so there you go. There's your 3.5 millimeter. It appears that I have a rubber foot from something stuck to my glove. Okay, so then, yeah, so if you've got a small device, this is what I'm guessing is the main use for this. So let's say you have one of those handheld gaming devices, and you've got 3.5 jack out, but you want to plug it into, for whatever reason, you want to plug it into, say, a sound bar. Well, you plug your little game device, you know, that one of those game devices that's full of 19,473 illegally obtained game ROMs. Not that there's anything wrong, well, whatever. And then it comes out of here, the audio comes out of here, and you put it into a sound bar so you can get your full-on gaming experience. And then your barrel jack plugs in. I mean, audio-wise, you can get your full-on gaming experience. You're still, in most cases, stuck with a tiny, tiny little screen, which, you know, I don't understand. But some people dig it. Some people, there's a nostalgia factor, you know. And then you get a manual, and the manual says, okay, optical digital audio output interface. Connect to soundbar, see that? Optical receiver and home theater system. Use SPDIF, use your computer, your soundbar. This is not a digital to analog converter. That's a special notice. Only supports sampling rate at 48 kilohertz. So again, you're talking sound bars. FAQ, non-power connected. Checked if the power adapter head is truly connected. That's if you got no power. No sound part. No sound output. Check if the 3.5. There's no sound. Please set the audio output of the 3.5 millimeter aux port to PCM or LPCM. LPCM, yeah, as it is incompatible with 5.1 Dolby. Okay, so no surround sound, just a stereo with this particular device. And it shows you what it comes with, which I've already done, and we're in German. So there. So you got the manual is in English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Japanese. You know, lately I've been wondering a lot about why it is everybody's obsessed with Japan. And, you know, other than the fact that it looks awesome there, like just so much